If no attorney can ever guarantee your result, how do you know which lawyer is really right for you? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join with me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Did you know that no attorney in New York can ever guarantee you a particular result? No lawyer can ever tell you what the outcome of your case is going to be. You know why? Because it's impossible to know. So how do you know exactly which attorney is right for you? How do you know which attorney can try and get the best result for you? Obviously, you want an attorney who's got experience handling your particular type of matter. And obviously, you want somebody who's done this before, who's had experience with getting success, with a good result. But the key question for you is, how do you know which lawyer is right for you? And the problem is that when you're searching for an attorney, you typically don't know. You don't know what the lawyer can do for you. You don't know what the lawyer can't do for you. So now you have to go through and evaluate and search online, go through their websites, go through their videos, go through their articles, and then you have to go in and meet the attorney to find out whether or not this lawyer is right for you. One thing you may find really helpful when deciding which attorney is right for you is to see how the law firm and the attorney make you feel. Because remember, throughout the course of the litigation, you're going to be interacting with the lawyer and the law firm on a regular basis. And it's really important for you to feel comfortable with the attorney as well as with the law firm. So when you call the law firm, do they ask you, well, how do you spell your name? Do they ask you, which lawyer do you want to speak to? Or do they know who you are? Do they know what your case is about? Do they know without having to check the file and check the computer to see exactly who you are and what the case involves? Now, there's a difference between going to a solo law firm, like I am, or going to a large law firm where they have 20 attorneys. And it all depends on your comfort level. If you want an attorney who's going to be handling your case from the very beginning all the way through to the end, then obviously you want a solo firm or you want a small law firm. On the other hand, if that doesn't matter to you, then you may not mind going to a large law firm where you see somebody different every single time. Or when you pick up the phone to call to ask what's going on in your case, you speak to a different person every single time. It's all a matter of what is your comfort level and what do you expect to get out of your interaction with the lawyer and the law firm. And here's one other tip that I think you'll find really helpful. You want to know, no matter which attorney you go to, is how often do they update you? How often do they keep you up to date on what's going on in your particular matter? In my firm, what I do is I have a policy that every single month, every one of my clients gets a personal phone call from me. Now, why do I do that? I do that for two important reasons. One, I want to see how you're feeling. I want to see how your injuries are affecting you on a daily basis. I want to see whether you're improving, whether you're getting better, whether you're getting worse, or staying the same. And second, I want to tell you what's happening on your particular matter. The communication between you and your attorney is critical. And if you don't have an ongoing, consistent communication policy of speaking to you on a regular basis, you're going to get frustrated. You're going to have to track down your attorney to find out what's going on in your case. So why do I share this information with you? I share this with you just to give you a little bit of an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process, especially now that you're searching for an attorney to help you with your medical malpractice matter, your accident matter, or even your wrongful death matter. You're probably watching this because you do have questions or concerns about your own matter. And if you do have questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.